and Microsoft. By the simple touch of your finger, the ATM is able to recognize your age, your gender, and the financial status. Come, live the experience. Incidentally, although the ATM also caters to your financial requirements, but because of the acute shortage of cash in the country, your cash withdrawal will be subjected to certain rules. The ATM is going to ask you the purpose, and only when convinced about the genuineness, the cash will be dispensed. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Give me the husband should have the right. Ah.
Yeah. Mr. Rajneesh, what can I do for you?
I want to withdraw 500 rupees right now.
Tell me the purpose.
Withdrawal has come, brother. Watching Game of Thrones this weekend.
Sorry, when the nation is facing such a crisis, I cannot accept such request. Request declined.
Hey, yeah, Ricky, the card is not working. It says not enough cash.
You're a lousy fellow. You can't do one thing properly.
Hey, yeah, I tried.
Good evening, young lady. What can I do for you?
I need to withdraw 500 rupees cash.
Can you tell me the purpose, please?
Yeah, I want to go to beauty parlor.
Can I make a small suggestion? If you're going to a parlor, 500 will be a too small an amount.
Wow. That would be great. Can you like give me 2,000 rupees maybe?
Not a problem. Here what I do, I give you 20 crisp 100 rupee notes because 2,000 sometimes is a problem.
No, yeah, when I tried, it didn't work. Really?
Go wash your hands.
I want
Incidentally, Mr. Rajneesh,
I want
my
to-
sensory mechanism also catches the smell. Did you brush properly today?
Yes, I watched them yesterday.
Look what I'm stuck with.
Yeah, actually,
Incidentally, we also offer our services in case of personal counseling. Please go through our menu. You will find deep down one menu, marital disputes.
Stop. Old age issues. My mom is missing me. You're not taking good care of her. It's not working. It didn't take my input.
Marital disputes.
What is
Yes,
speech, yeah? Yeah,
the
everything is fine
personal
with us.
counselor is available at your service. What can I do?
What is speech, sir? Everything is fine with us.
Look at that pouch you have.
What can I do, yeah? Your hands are making wonderful dishes. How can I not resist eating all of them?
Praising me won't help. Do you know at what time you wake up?
I sleep like a child because you sing very well when I sleep.
You sleep like a child and you snore so rhythmically.
Yes, young man. Maybe I can help you.
Dear ATM.
I'm Dr. Jahangir Khan from Dear Zindagi.
Dear ATM, my wife is not listening to me. Please provide me a solution. She has to listen to me. Please provide me a solution.
Sorry, request can't be worked upon.
Can you please give me a solution? My wife is not listening to me.
Idiot, I heard you right first time. As per the latest gender justice regulations, this request is totally irregular. You have been locked out of the system for the day.
Oh my
Thank you
God.
very much.
Can you provide me a solution so that my husband does everything I ask him to do?
It's very simple, ma'am. Very simple. This is the first initiative the bank is taking in the area of female empowerment. By exercising my rights, I am hereby deactivating his rights of operating on the account for next 1 month.
No.
And one more solution, please. Can you make him not watch TV all day long? I said, I want the remote.
That has been a problem for a long time, and most of the wives have been complaining about it. We have recently tied up with a new remote device manufacturing company, which gives a remote which has a timing device, and the timing device, when you set it, during the certain hours, if the husband touches it, it will give electrical shocks.
What is this? This ATM is fraud. This ATM is biased. It's working for women. I should remove it. Dear brothers, help me.
Listen, young man, are you serious? Where do you work?
State Bank of India.
State Bank of India. Wonderful. Can you tell me who is the CEO of Axis Bank?
Shikha
Can you tell me who is the CEO of ICICI Bank?
Chandra Kuchar.
Who is the chairman of your bank?
Arundhati Bhattacharya.
And for your information, young banker, these three ladies, among them, control 80% of the ATMs in the country.
Yeah, this is injustice. Yeah.
You want to rule the world? For once, an ATM favored me. I'm so pissed off. You want to pull it off? Why? Do you know for centuries there has been injustice with women? Even now there are places they can't even walk in. This is tide of time and it is turning. It shall be so.
Sorry. Let's go.
Ah,
Can I watch two?
that's how times turn. Thank you
At least
very
one.
much.
Fine.